Very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about 2021 April MCQ type of a question paper, because this year they conducted a 40 science, maths and social science 40 120 marks question paper. Now we are going to discuss only science. I already discussed with you Kannada version. Now I am going to discuss with you English version. The device that works on the principle of electromagnetic induction is electric generator, electric heater, electric motor, electric fan. Okay, then the device that works on the principle of electromagnetic induction produced EMF with what Michael Faraday's experiment with the help of what we discussed. That's based on option A, electric generator. Next question. An electric lamp whose resistance is 30 ohm and a conductor 6 ohm, 6 ohm resistance are connected in a series. They are connected in a series to a 9 volt battery. As shown in the figure, the total current flowing in the circuit is, they asked. That's why it's a very simple answer. They given here R1 and R2. What they given? R1 and R2. This is a R2. Okay, then R1 30 ohm is there. Then R2 6 ohm is there. Then what? If they are connected series, RS is equal to 30 plus 6. Okay, then RS is equal to 36 ohm. Okay, 36 ohm. They given V also. How much it's a 9 volt. It's what? 9 volt. Then total current they asked, I is equal to question mark. Then our standard formula, Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. But this formula alters here. I is equal to V by R. Then V 9 volt, R 36. 9 ones are 9 fours are 1/4 ampere. Then 1/4 ampere it is written as a what? 1/4 is nothing but 0.25. That's why option C right answer. 1/4 is nothing but 0.25 ampere. I is equal to 0.25 ampere. It's a very easy question. The next question. The inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because it reflects light, converges solar radiations, prevents from rusting, absorb more heat. Okay, black body radiation. Black body absorb all radiation. That's why what it absorb more heat. Option D right answer. It absorb more heat. The inner wall of a solar cooker is painted black because it absorb more heat. The next question. The metal used in the filament of an electric bulb. It's a magnesium, tungsten, nickel, chromium. Okay, magnesium, nickel and chromium. Okay, whenever we pass electricity in them, because of what resistance, they increase the temperature, and because of an increase in temperature, the filament very easily cuts down and it not glows light. But tungsten at 3310 degrees Celsius, it increases temperature and it start to emit a light. That's why option B, tungsten we use. We use a tungsten. A rectangular coil of a copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of the induced current changes once in each. The rectangular coil of a copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of the induced current changes once in each. 2 revolutions, 1 revolution, half revolution, okay, 1/4 revolution. Then its right answer option C, half revolution. Okay. For example, the armature, whatever we keep in where magnetic fields N and S. Okay, A, B, C, D armature is there. If it rotates half cycle, then the direction of induced current changes. In which case, alternating current case. Okay, induced, if whatever this armature rotates half of its cycle, then the induced current direction first A, B, C, D, then next half D, C, B, A, like this. It reverse. That's why option C right answer. Then the focal length of a lens is plus 0.50 meter. The power of the lens and type. Power of the lens formula P is equal to 1 by F. P is equal to 1 by F. Then they given focal length. Then 1 by 0.50. It's a plus. Plus is there means it's a convex lens. Minus is there means it's a positive sign indicates a convex lens. Negative sign indicates a concave lens. Then 1 divided by 0.50. Okay. Then what we remove here point, we take a 0. Then 5 ones are 5 twos are. Then P is equal to plus 2.0 D. The power of the lens. The power of the lens. That's option A right answer. Okay, positive sign indicates a convex lens. Then answer, power of the lens is plus 2.0 D. The next question. A device used to change the resistance in the electric circuit is. The device is used to change the, to increase or to decrease the resistance in a circuit. Okay, we not use a voltmeter also, ammeter also, galvanometer also. What we use? We use a rheostat. We use a rheostat. Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference in a circuit. Ammeter is used to measure the electric current in a circuit. Galvanometer is used to measure what induced current in a circuit or the direction of a current in a circuit. Okay, that's a galvanometer. Then rheostat, it is used to change the resistance in a circuit to increase or to decrease. Next, the magnetic field lines inside a solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoid is very high, uniform, zero, then produced by electric current. We already studied. This is a solenoid. This is what? Solenoid. Insulated copper wire, several coils are there. Then here if we compare a magnetic field inside the solenoid, it's always at each point it's a uniform. At each point it's a uniform. Then in bar magnet, north and south poles, strong things are there here, but in this case, solenoid case, option B, uniform. Option B, uniform. Next, the nature and size of the image formed when an object kept between the principal focus and optical center of a convex lens. This is the convex lens. This is optic center. This is the principal focus. The nature and the size of image formed when the object is kept between the principal focus and principal. This is the only exceptional case. Remaining all cases, this is a 2F. Then when we kept the object at infinity, when we kept the object at 2F, when we kept the object at beyond 2F, or in between 2F and F, all the cases real and inverted images formed. But this case, which case? Whenever the object is kept in between F and O, virtual and erect. Virtual and erect, enlarged. Enlarged image is formed, because image where it forms, see here, for example, this is like this, in this, because of this here image is formed. See, this is the size of the image It's what? Virtual. Okay, whenever the image is formed on the screen, then only it's a real image. But here imaginarily image is forming, that's why it's what? Virtual. Erect means as usual. Then enlarge, what? More than the size of the object. That's why option A right answer. Option A right answer. Next question. The device that converts electric energy into mechanical energy, it's electric generator, solar cell, dry cell, electric motor. It's a very easy answer, electric motor. Solar cell produce solar light energy into electric energy. Then electric generator, it is nothing but dynamo. It converts a mechanical energy into electric energy. Then dry cell converts a chemical energy into electric energy. The next question. Ohm is the SI unit of electric potential difference, resistance, electric current, electric charge. Then it's right answer option B, resistance. Option B, resistance. Potential difference, electric potential difference, SI unit is volt. Then electric current, SI unit is ampere. Then electric charge, SI unit is coulomb. What? Coulomb. Then next, observe the following table. They are giving material medium P, Q, RS and their refractive indexes. Okay, then in which material medium the speed of light is very low? Whatever the material medium has a high density, the speed of light decreases. The speed of light decreases. Okay, and whatever the material medium density is very low, the speed of light increases in that material. For example, in this case, highly dense material is R and very least dense material is S. In this, the speed of light decreases. In our case, speed of light decreases. But what they asked, very high, means very high in where? In S. Very high in where? Yes. That's why our answer option C, yes. Option C, yes. The source of energy in nuclear power reactor is nuclear fission reaction, controlled nuclear fission reaction, exothermic reaction, nuclear fusion reaction. Nuclear fusion reaction occurs in sun. That's why it's wrong. Exothermic, endothermic, these are the not source of energy. They are chemical reaction. Okay, they whatever they liberate energy into the system only or to environment only. That's why we cannot able to take use of that. Okay, let it be. Then nuclear fission reaction, but if it is not controlled, means it's not used. Then whatever the controlled nuclear fission reaction is there, those nuclear reactions are what? Source of energy in nuclear power reactor. That's option B right answer. Option B right answer. One property of a convex lens among the following is that it diverges light rays, it is thicker in the edges and thinner in the middle, forms a real and erect image, is thinner at the edges and thicker at the middle. Okay, this is the convex lens, this is the concave lens. See, then convex lens, whenever we pass a light parallel to principal axis, then the light rays converges. That's why this one wrong, because what they asked, convex lens they asked. Okay, then it is thicker at the edges. Thicker at the edges. See, it's a thinner at the edges. That's the second one is also wrong. It forms a real images. It's right, but real images are always inverted. Real images are always inverted. That's why they are not erect. That's why this one also wrong. It is thinner at edges. X. It is thinner at the, see, this is thinner at the edges and thicker at the middle. This one statement right. Fourth one statement right. That's why it's right answer option D. Fourth one option D, right answer. A compound that reacts with both acids and as well as bases to produce salts and water is, okay, it is amphoteric oxide, it is what, aluminum oxide or zinc oxide. Then its answer option A, aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide. Next, 56th question. The structural formula of prophenol, okay, the structural formula of prophenol, okay, it's a what, alcohol. Prophenol, they asked. Prophenol, not, sorry, very sorry, here nal is there, okay, prophenol is there, nol is there, means it's alcohol. Then the structural formula of prophenol, what, prophenol, it's a aldehyde, but it's aldehyde. Aldehyde means CHO compound. Nol is there, means OH compound, alcohol compound. Then we have to search only. This is the wrong, this is also wrong, okay, COH, carboxylic compound, it's a, okay, it's alcohol compound. Then this one ketone compound. Then right answer option C, because CHO nal. Because, based on functional group, we have to identify the structural formula. That's why it's right answer option C. The next, the property of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. This law was proposed by, okay, this is a what, a modern periodic law. This law is proposed by Henry Moseley. Properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. This is the Mendeleev's periodic law. Then Newland's law of octets, Dobner's law of triads. Next question. Observe the following chemical reactions. Iron react with a copper sulfate, gives a ferrous sulfate with copper. Then zinc reacts with a iron sulfate. What it gives? It gives us zinc. Ferrous sulfate. It gives a zinc sulfate with iron. Okay. Then the decreasing order of reactivity of the metals above. Okay. Increasing order of the reactivity, then also decreasing order of the reactivity. Then iron is more reactive than copper in this case. First reaction, okay, these are both are what, displacement reactions. Okay, high reactive element reacts with low reactive element and it displaces that element. We already discussed. That's why iron is more reactive than copper. That's why copper is the least. Okay, then afterwards, more reactive is iron. Then compared to iron, zinc is more reactive. That's why first comes highly reactive element zinc, second, highly reactive element zinc, second iron, third one copper. What they asked here, decreasing order they asked. Highly reactive, low reactive, lower reactive. That's option A, right answer. Option A, right answer. The atomic number of an element is 20. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to the period. Okay, then C, 1s2. So, atomic number is 20. That's 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. That's why highest energy level, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Highest energy level is 4. That's why its period is 4. Option C, 4. Its period is 4. Based on their highest energy level. Okay, how many orbitals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on their orbitals, we have to identify period. Okay, then whatever the element has atomic number 20, its period is 4, and its group, it's a second group element. The number of single bonds and double bonds present in the structure of benzene. Okay, structure of benzene. Benzene C6H6, then C, then C. Okay, these are what? All are carbon atoms interlinked. Then alternatively we keep a double bonds here. Alternatively we keep a what? Double bonds here. That's why here 3 double bonds are there, remaining 3 single bonds are there. For these, for each one hydrogen attached with single bond. Hydrogen attached with what? Single bond. Then these 6 means 9 single bonds and 3 double bonds. 9 single bonds and 3 double bonds. That's why option B right answer. Option B right answer. Next, the gas liberated when sodium carbonate react with the dilute hydrochloric acid. The gas liberated when a sodium carbonate react with a dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, in 2021 June question paper also I discussed with you, whenever the metallic carbonates or bicarbonates reacts with acid, they will not give a hydrogen, they give a carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas is liberated. Option A right answer. Option A right answer. The next question, the major component of a compressed natural gas. Repeated question. The major component of a compressed CNG, compressed gas. Okay, it's a methane. Option C methane. LPG butane. The substance that converts a blue litmus paper into red color. Okay, blue litmus paper into red color. Okay, lime water or sodium hydroxide solution or pure water or gastric juice. In these all 4 materials, acidic content only converts or changes blue litmus paper into red color. Then lime water, it's not acidic. Sodium hydroxide solution, it's a strong base, it's not also acidic. Pure water, it's neutral, that's not acidic. That's option D, gastric juice. Which one? Gastric juice. Next question. The process used to convert sulfide ore of metals into their oxides. Okay, then this is called as a what? A roasting. What it's called? Roasting. Option B, calcination, roasting. We want reduction. Reduction with the help of maximum carbon, electrolysis with the help of electricity, and calcination, what? Roasting. With oxygen, without oxygen. We already discussed that. Then question number 65. The common molecular formula of both hexene and cyclohexene. Okay, hexene and cyclohexene. Same question from 2021 June they asked. Which one? Hexene and cyclohexene. Hexene C6H12 because its general formula CnH2n. Based on that C6H12. Then structural formula of this hexene and cyclohexene. Okay, here 6 carbon atoms are there. How many? 6 carbon atoms are there. Okay, for this 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms are 12 hydrogen atom what? 12 hydrogen atoms are what? Very sorry. 12 hydrogen atoms are attached. Okay, it's a straight chain. Which one? Hexene. 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, for this attached what? 12 hydrogen atoms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 12. Very sorry, hexane I wrote here. 1 minute. Hexane I wrote here. Somewhere we have to keep a double bond here. If we keep here double bond, then These carbon atoms requires only one hydrogen. Then here also it requires one carbon atom, it not requires two. 4 bonds for here also. Okay, then here one hydrogen, then work 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 10 11 12. Okay, this is the structure of hexene. Then cyclohexene 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atoms are there, 12 hydrogen atoms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. H H H H H H H H H. Okay, this is the cyclohexene. This is the what? Cyclohexene. Then based on these structures, okay, one is a straight chain, another one is a branch chain. Okay, option C, C6H12. Option C, C6H12. An acid present in the stinging hair of a nettle plant leaf is, it's a methanoic acid, oxalic acid, citric acid, lactic acid. Then it's right answer, methanoic acid. Option A, right answer. Oxalic acid is present in tomato, citric acid is present in citric fruits, lemon, orange, and lactic acid is present in curd milk. The hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism in the human body is testosterone, adrenaline, insulin, thyroxine. Then it's right answer, thyroxine. Which one? Thyroxine, produced from thyroid gland. It is also called as what personality hormone. Testosterone produced from gonads to produce male characters at the puberty stage. Then adrenaline, it is it releases at the time of emergency. Then insulin, it converts sugars into glucose. They convert simple glucose. They reduce the sugar level in the body. Which one? Insulin. Okay, produced from pancreatic gland, as a pancreatic gland. The next question. A pot that has growing seedling is kept in a dark room. A burning candle is placed near to it a few days. The top part of the seedling bends towards the light of a burning candle. This is the chemotrophism, phototrophism, geotrophism, hydrotrophism. Then it's right answer, phototrophism. Option B, right answer. Chemotrophism, the plants, whatever they react towards the chemicals, that's a chemotrophism. The plants, whatever they react towards light, that's a phototropism. The plants, whichever they react towards Earth's gravitation, that's a geotrophism. The plant's roots react towards water, that's a hydrotrophism. Then next question. The correct statement with respect to biodegradable substance among the following: these substances undergo recycling naturally in the environment. Okay, then harm various organisms in the ecosystem, increase the density of harmful chemicals in different trophic levels, remain inert in the environment for a long time. Then it's right answer, the correct statement with respect to biodegradable substance. Biodegradable substance, they undergo decaying, then what? They undergo recycling naturally in the environment. They do not cause anything harmful problems. They not undergo biomagnification also. Okay, they not remain long time in the environment also. That's option A, right answer. Then 70th question. The correct sequence found in the process of sexual reproduction in flowers. Okay, first of all, pollination. Second one, pollination, afterwards fertilization, male and female egg and sperms fuse, that's a fertilization. Because of a fusion, whatever the structure is formed, that's an embryo. embryo develops into seed. Then it's right answer option D. Pollination, fertilization, embryo, seed. Pollination, the male gametes and female gametes in flower comes in contact, means it's a pollination. Sometimes it's a self pollination, sometimes external pollination. Saving electricity by switching off unnecessary work of lights and fans is example of refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose. Then it's right answer reduce. Which one? Reduce. Okay, in previous question paper, question related to refuse. Okay, sometimes in our daily life we take use of reuse. Okay, sometimes repurpose, sometimes recycle. Okay, 5R theory we already discussed. If a round green seeded pea plant, round green seeded, round is a dominant trait here, capital R, then green is a recessive trait, small y is crossed with a wrinkled yellow seeded, wrinkled small r, it's a recessive trait, capital Y here, whatever the yellow color is there, it's a dominant trait. The seeds produced in F1 generation, whatever the dominant traits are there, those only produced in F1 generation. That's why capital R and capital Y only seeds are produced. That's why round and yellow, option C right answer. We not go to any other options. Homologous organs, they have a same structure but perform different function. They have a same structure but perform a different function. Those are called as homologous organs. And whatever they have a different structure and whatever they have a different structure but perform a same function, those are called as analogous organs. All three options are here wrong. The blood vessels that carry blood from all parts of the body to the heart are arteries, capillaries, pulmonary arteries, veins. Those are veins. In last class also I explained for you, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, they bring from all parts of the body deoxygenated blood to heart. That's option D right answer. Plants can get rid of excess of water by this process: transpiration, photosynthesis, respiration, translocation. Then it's right answer transpiration. Plants can get rid of excess of water by this process: transpiration. Photosynthesis is a process of production of a food by their own system. Respiration, giving out carbon dioxide, taking in oxygen, and daytime taking in oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. That's different in plants. Then translocation, whatever the soluble things are there, those are produced at the time of a photosynthesis. Those are passed to each and every part of the body. That's called as a translocation. That's why it's right answer option A. Then 76th question, the gap between two neuron, it's called as a dendrite, axon, synapse, cell body. Then it's called as option C, synapse. The embryo gets a nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special part called fallopian tube, ovary, uterus, placenta. Then it's right answer placenta. Option D, placenta. The common passage for both sperm and urine in a human male reproductive system is urethra, ureter, vas deferens, urinary bladder. Then it's right answer option A, urethra. Option A, urethra. Then 79th question, which of the following is not advantage of water harvesting structures? Recharge the groundwater, water does not evaporate, provide a breeding grounds for mosquitoes, then provide a moisture for vegetation. It's not advantage for water harvesting structures, they asked. Recharge the groundwater, it's advantage of water harvesting structure. Then water does not evaporate means it's also advantage of water harvesting structure. Then provide a moisture for vegetation, that's also advantage for water harvesting structure, but not they asked. That's why provide breeding grounds for mosquito, it's not advantage of water harvesting structure. That's option C, right answer. The experiences of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on its progeny because they are inherited traits, acquired traits, dominant traits, recessive traits. Okay, they are acquired traits. Acquired traits in a lifetime not passed to next generation because they not make a changes in our DNA. If they making any changes in DNA, those are passed to next generation. Okay, and whatever the traits they pass to next generation, these are only inherited, or sometime they are dominant, or sometime if they are recessive, these are all passed to next generation. But acquired traits what not passed to its next progeny. Okay, up to now what we discussed 2021 April 40 MCQ. That time, that year, because of corona, they carried a multiple choice question paper only. That's why 40 MCQ related to science. Okay, this question paper is very helpful to your score 2023. Whatever the students going to prepare for them, this question paper is very useful. Take use of it, share to your friends also and other groups also. Thank you so much.